morning, everyone.
Vanakkam.
Welcome to another episode of In My City with SSBeauty. I'm Sayantika,
And I'm Nick.
and today we have a very exciting day planned ahead.
Innaku namma Chennai Pride Parade ku poga pora.
Yes, we are headed to the Chennai Pride Parade today. But before we do that, we are going to reveal to you our secret to the Pride Parade look for this year. So stay tuned.
After some exfoliation with McAfee body scrub and a warm shower, let's get started with our morning skincare ritual. My go-to is the Calabar Cellular Dry Oil. It does wonders for my dry skin.
The Mamaearth Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer is my favorite. It hydrates, reduces dullness, has antioxidants.
Following it up with McAfee Choco Body Butter.
By the way, it smells divine.
Now that our skin prep is all done and I'm feeling all soft and supple on my skin, yours too, we are going to do a little bit of a basic makeup, just our base and a little bit of prep.
Starting off with Plum Day Cream with SPF 50. Gotta beat the Chennai heat, right? Getting the base in place with Maybelline Primer, K Orange Corrector and Lakme Creme Concealer. Using My Glam BB Cream, which is perfect for a casual everyday look, and setting it into place with loose powder. Some kajal for me and a dash of baby lips.
And I'm trying out the Plum Purple Eyeliner and my go-to lipstick from Maybelline. And we're ready!
Before going to SSBeauty, let's get something to eat, please.
Now we are headed to Murugan, Italy to stuff our faces.
So here we are today at the Murugan Idli. This is one of the most famous eateries in Chennai. And you know why it is famous? Because it serves the most amazing, mouth-watering idlis and a lot of variety of South Indian dishes. This place is always bustling with locals as well as tourists. So let's find it out.
And I'm so hungry, I can't wait to try it all. So let's just go already. Pokulam. Anna, Oru idli. This is beautiful. It melts in your mouth. Literally melts in your mouth. Soft and fluffy. The food really is that good. I don't know what to have and what to do here. It is just incredible. Must try.
Now we are heading to SSBeauty for our Pride Makeover. Welcome to SSBeauty. It really is the makeup lover's ultimate haven. I mean, look at these glam makeup stations. All our favorite brands and the best of fragrances. Everything you need to look and feel your best. And you know, I gotta say this. The staff here is also super inclusive.
Oh my god, wow! So excited.
After a brief chat with the makeup artist, we got ready for our Out and Proud beauty looks with SSBeauty for the Chennai Pride Parade.
I'm getting the glam on.
Oh, good. Oh my god, I am obsessed with our looks. This is super glam.
I love the rainbow on my eyes. This is beautiful.
Sagarika here has been amazing, super inclusive. Hey, happy Pride! And thank you for creating this Out and Proud beauty look with SSBeauty. Exhausted, but what a fun, exciting and exhilarating day, full of bright beautiful colors and full of rainbows and full of pride. And by the way, Nick, I loved your look today.
It is just oh so stunning and totally slayed at Pride, let me just say.
It's so good. Actually, I don't want to take it off.
I know.
By the way, your makeup was stunning too. You looked absolutely fabulous today.
Thank you. I think so too. I mean, not to brag, but this makeup is totally out and proud beauty personified. It is slay, it is pride, and it is everything colorful and bright. Oh, that rhymed. But unfortunately, it's time to take it off. Take off this beauty because do not go to bed with your makeup on. That's a must.
Using the Plum Aloe Gentle Cleansing Milk to clean out our makeup, and then some deep exfoliation with Mamaearth Charcoal Scrub and the Mamaearth Face Wash with the tried and tested goodness of Upton. Using my Mamaearth Cream Tea Night Cream.
My night skincare routine always has Estee Lauder, the Supreme Revitalizing Creme, and the Advanced Night Repair Serum.
And we are done. We had an exciting day shooting this today.
And if you like this video, subscribe to the SS Beauty channel for more such content.
Like, subscribe, and share.
And with that, it's goodbye from Nick
And Sayantika. Good night.